Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn about TTA and MTTA. TTA stands for time to acknowledge and MTTA stands for mean time to acknowledge. TTA and MTTA, these are nothing but the measures that helps us to understand the average time taken by a security team to acknowledge a security alert that has been generated. So MTTA will help you to understand the responsiveness of tracking. So for example, a shorter MTTA suggests that the potential threats are being acted upon very quickly. By tracking the MTTA, the teams can identify whether the alerts are being acknowledged in a timely manner and whether the most critical incidents are getting the attention that they need or not. So, in order to understand this concept in detail, let's first click on the signals page and let's try to look into the signals of say last 30 days. So here I will focus on say this 4th November signal name. So there are these two signals which have been generated on 4th and 5th November. I'll try to create a case around it. That means I have acknowledged the signal and I'm adding them into a case. So here, let's create a case out of it. And I'll create a new case for this. So the case name I would like to give is again same as that of the signal name over here, say 4th November. And this is demo TTA. So that's the name I have provided and I'm providing the value of severity as low. And let's click on save here. Now let's exit from this window and let's check into the cases section. So this is the recently created case bias, which consists of the signals that have raised some almost around 29 days back. And that's the reason here, if you just check the value of time to acknowledge, it is showing 29 days, 2 hours and 36 minutes. When you take the average of all these TTAs that are available over here in the TTA column, you will reach to this particular value that is nothing but MTTA or mean time to acknowledge. I hope this tutorial helped you in order to understand what is TTA and MTTA. Stay tuned for the upcoming tutorial where we are going to discuss more such metrics related to the signals and cases. Thank you.